I will show 2 easy steps that you can remove the IObit Uninstaller tool from your Windows. 1. Uninstall by using IObit Uninstaller. 2. Manually uninstall. If you follow these steps, you can successfully uninstall the IObit Uninstaller tool. You just copy and paste. First task. Close the task from Task Manager. 1. Uninstall the IObit Uninstaller tool completely. From Control Panel, uninstall programs. 2. Delete these folders. .iobit folder located at C:\program files, x86. 3. Delete IObit files from here located at C:\program data. 4. Only delete IObit folder -C:\users %username %app data \local. 5. Only delete the IObit folder located at -C:\users %username %app data \roaming. 6. Go to Manually, Registry Editor, key_local_machine, Software, WOW6432 Node, IObit folder delete. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.